And we are on air.
Hi guys, my name's Brianna, and today I'm going to be putting together a 300-piece boat puzzle. So let's get right into the video. So I'm going to move you guys over to where you can see what I'm doing, and we're going to get this bad boy open and get working on it. I have done a puzzle video before, but last time I kind of showed a lot of the process because I was with someone and we were chatting a bunch. This time I'm also going to be silent and watching my show, so this is just going to be a satisfying video, sped up of the whole process of just the puzzle. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get started. And the very last piece. I'm done! I thought you guys might be interested in seeing me destroy it too, so here we go. Oh my gosh, it's not one that you can just like push the pieces in. I have to lift it, okay? Oh my I dropped a piece! If I ever wanted to do this puzzle again, that would have been so bad. I feel like this is not so satisfying. I'm so sorry. Ta-da! Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Happy VEDID, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah!